How to apply target circle offers in app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide on how you can apply your target circle offers in app. Well, the process is quite similar and it's easy, so let me guide it through. Now first thing what you can do is you can head into your offers there, and first thing you'll have to require to save the offer. Now here I'll just save this offer quickly. Here it's added here, offer saved. Now you want to simply save these offers in your cart, and then what you want to do is if you want you can save this offer as well. Now this is valid when you shop online in store, you can see, not online here. Now so when you go to check out the item, you'll be able to use this offer. I'll just choose this pickup option and then simply tap on add to cart, and once I add to cart here you can see it's added to cart, and I'll just go to view cart and checkout option. And once you head into checkout option here, you want to simply head into your cart that you have the offer on. Now it's taking some time to load up. I'll just deselect this, and you can see here I have a single product, and I'll simply continue to checkout here. And once you head into checkout here, you'll be able to apply them in purchase here. You can see it's currently here ready within 2 hours at Easy South. And if you scroll down here further below, if you add in your payment details, and then after that you'll be able to use your offer. So this way you can use your offer. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.